Hi! Don't forget to subscribe to Adventures with Data, turn on the bell, and leave your comment below. Join our Adventures with Data. All right, let's read today's adventure in the world of data together. Let me start from the beginning. I was born in Hamburg, a shy girl who loved pastel colors.
As a kid, I always ask questions, like why the sky is blue.
And why people change. Why some leave and some come back. After graduation, I joined a huge transportation company in HR, searching for answers inside data, not hearts.
Lina, we have 300 new employees. Salaries are in another file.
300? Manually? No way!
Use Excel. Learn VLOOKUP.
Sounds like a space robot. VLOOKUP. I had never heard that name. It really sounded like a robot from Mars. At home, I searched, who is VLOOKUP in Excel? VLOOKUP is a detective. That got my attention instantly. A detective? Finally, something exciting in HR. I opened both tables like crime scene evidence. Then I typed tashed VLOOKUP /A2 EF2 false. It found the salary. Like magic! It felt like a tiny detective running around with a flashlight. In under 15 minutes, 300 records were done. 3 days of work, gone. That was the first time Excel genuinely impressed me. Why can't life be like VLOOKUP? Why can't answers appear so easily? So I decided to search inside myself.
If I'm looking for happiness, where do I find it? If I'm looking for peace, who brings it into my life?
For the first time in years, I felt closer to my own answers. If I'm looking for my purpose, is it really this job? I want to work where answers are hidden, and I have to find them. A few weeks later, I requested a transfer to the data analysis department. I knew this was the right direction. Searching felt natural to me. I then set out first to see what it had.
But how did you fall in love with data?
Because one day, something unexpected happened. A tiny detective inside Excel changed everything. It taught me how to search, not just in data. Now I search for patterns, answers, meanings, every day. All thanks to a little Excel detective called VLOOKUP.